Hello everybody and welcome to this online session of Diplomathon Global. My moniker is Hriday Bhatia, and I'll be walking you through more details about what Diplomathon Global is, who we are, and how you as a student of grade 3 to grade 5 and from grade 6 to grade 12 can get involved not only for upcoming conferences but for all of Diplomathon Global's events. To know more, stay tuned and watch this video. So to begin with, I'm going to give you a quick introduction about Diplomathon Global, introduce you to the idea behind the organization, walk you through the impact which we've created and generated, and the recognition that we've received in the past various years of our existence and working. The idea of Diplomathon Global is to make students world ready. You can think of Diplomathon Global as a platform that empowers school students by providing multiple opportunities such as debates, mock parliaments, international student programs, trainings, and much more. We have impacted the lives of over 600,000 students from over 1,200 schools which are a part of the Diplomathon Global family. On our journey to enhance experiential learning across geographies, our work has been recognized by prestigious organizations worldwide. This has enabled us to amplify the importance of our platform. So moving on, I would now like to tell you more about what exactly happens at a Diplomathon Global conference and what is it that students do. And more importantly, what is the benefit of participating at a conference of Diplomathon Global? By enrolling yourself for Diplomathon Global, students embark on a journey of learning and understanding the functioning of global communities. By a way of simulating international organizations and acting as representatives of countries, industries, and companies, students are able to understand the functioning of international organizations like the United Nations, European Union, GCC, and many more. Our platform is for students who wish to enhance their knowledge and make a global mark. There are abundant academic and non-academic benefits of getting involved. These include improving public speaking and soft skills, leadership abilities, critical thinking, building future fluencies by value addition to student profiles.
Diplomathon is an amazing idea which is a complete amalgamation of talent, culture.
Some of our students taking part in this Diplomathon. So I hope that next year we will be able to bring more students to join this platform and come to work together as teams, as future leaders. So thank you very much for inviting us and making us knowing this opportunity is available.
Diplomathon, it's a really great thing, being able to come here and join everyone, talk with different people and getting to know others is really great opportunity for us.
My kid Kashyapi Havala recently attended Diplomathon. She really got curious about debate. After the conference, we are very happy to see her increased levels of confidence. I would like to recommend Diplomathon for multiple reasons. One, a very good exposure to diplomats, diplomacy and the related activities. And second thing, a whole new experience of how a debate is.
Our students have been participating with the Diplomathon for quite some time now and gaining a lot in terms of actual world skills that are today the need of the hour. And Diplomathon has taught them to think out of the box, to actually look at world issues and look at them from the aspect of collaboration.
I'm sure you must be eager to know how you can be a part of the next Diplomathon Global. So to know more details about when is it happening and how you can register, please watch the rest of this video. Thank you. The upcoming Diplomathon Global Conference is Diplomathon Global World Program. This is a flagship conference scheduled for December 3rd to December 5th of 2021. Schools across 12 countries are nominated for this event. Registrations for the same are now open for students from grade 3 to grade 12 across 3 categories. To know more about these categories of registrations and about the trainings, please refer to your school circular. For any further information, you can contact your school representative or Team Diplomathon Global at info@diplomathon.in. Thank you.